A very good morning to one and all present here. I am Babita Yadav,
And I, Ashutosh Dwivedi.
and we feel privileged to welcome you all on behalf of GCET on the 5 days program of faculty development, organized by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University. Respected Director Professor VK Dwivedi, Head of Mechanical Department Professor Mohammad Asim Kadri, and our esteemed faculty. On this very bright morning, we all are gathered here to welcome our respectable chief guest, Professor S.C. Kaushik. So, I would kindly request Professor VK Dwivedi to honor our chief guest.
Thank you so much, sir. Now we will have our traditional auspicious lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Mother Saraswati. The goddess of knowledge, Mother, we pray for your blessing with all humanity gives us. Wisdom to make this world a better place. So I kindly invite our honorable chief guest, Professor S.C. Kaushik, sir, for the lamp lighting.
हे शारदे माँ हे शारदे माँ हमारी सुनो वंदना शारदे माँ
हे शारदे माँ हे शारदे माँ
हमारी सुनो वंदना शारदे माँ तू स्वर्ग की देवी है संगीत तुझसे हर शब्द तेरा है हर गीत तुझसे
तू स्वर्ग की देवी है संगीत तुझसे हर शब्द तेरा है हर गीत तुझसे
हम हैं अधूरे हम हैं अकेले अपनी शरण में हमें प्यार दे माँ हे शारदे माँ हे शारदे माँ हमारी सुनो वंदना शारदे माँ तू श्वेत वर्णी कमल पे विराजे हाथों में वीणा मुकुट सिर पे साजे
तू श्वेत वर्णी कमल पे विराजे हाथों में वीणा मुकुट सिर पे साजे
मन से हमारे मिटा दे अंधेरे
मन से हमारे मिटा दे अंधेरे
उजालों का हमको संसार दे माँ हे शारदे माँ हे शारदे माँ हमारी सुनो वंदना शारदे माँ हमारी सुनो वंदना शारदे माँ थैंक यू
To commence this gathering further, I would like to call Coordinator of Faculty Development Program, Professor Navneet Kumar.
Very good morning to respected chief guests of the program, Professor S.C. Kaushik from IIT Delhi, our honorable director, Professor V.K. Dwivedi, head of the department Mechanical Engineering, Professor Asim Kadri, and head of the department from other departments, guests and participating faculty members. I am really privileged welcoming you all for 5 days faculty development program on applications of the thermal engineering. I am very grateful to you, Professor S.C. Kaushik sir, for taking time off from your busy schedule to attend this program. I heartily welcome to great auspicious occasion of FDP program. Further, welcome our director, Professor V.K. Dwivedi, who has been a source of inspiration and motivation of this program. I feel truly delighted to welcome participating faculty members who spare their valuable time to attend this program. The main focus of this FDP program is on enhancement of teaching and research skills of the faculty members of Mechanical Engineering Department. The Mechanical Engineering Department transformed itself to be recognized as a center of excellence of Galgotia College of Engineering and Technology. This program is meant for bringing together academicians and experts from different parts of the country to exchange knowledge, ideas, and findings to provide in-depth knowledge in thermal engineering. Finally, I welcome Director Sir, guest speaker, and faculty members who have come to attend this program, and we look forward for listening to our guest speaker and for fruitful discussion in the coming 5-day sessions of FDP program. Thank you very much, you all.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I request Head of Mechanical Department, Professor Mohammad Asim Qadri, to kindly occupy the chair on the dais.
Honorable Chief Guest, Professor S.C. Kaushik, Respected Director, Sir, GCET, Coordinator FDP, Dr. Navneet Kumar, and dear faculty member as participants. It is with great pleasure that we are here today to participate in this one-week faculty development program on application of thermal engineering. On behalf of the Mechanical Engineering Department and Galgotia College of Engineering and Technology, let me warmly welcome you all here this morning. This program is sponsored by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow, and organized by Department of Mechanical Engineering. To enhance the quality of classroom delivery of academic programs and to foster a better environment for research and innovation in the academic institution, AKTU is conducting these FTPs on a very large scale. The Galgotia College of Engineering and Technology was started in the year 2000. The Department of Mechanical Engineering was opened in 2001 with an initial intake of 40 students. It was increased to 60 in 2002 and 90 in 2006 and finally 120 in 2007. The department has 33 faculty members with 3 professors, 5 associate professors and 25 assistant professors. We have 8 PhDs and remaining faculty members are pursuing PhD from reputed institutes. We have valuable laboratories and library to support academic activities of the department. Our students have participated in various events at different levels and have won several awards. The department has a vision to be recognized as a center of excellence for mechanical engineering education. The main objective of this faculty development programs are to enhance effectiveness among faculty members while providing better learning outcomes to their students, to equip the faculty with the latest knowledge in the area of thermal engineering application, to prepare faculty for their role as motivators, facilitators, mentors, and guides for helping students in achieving excellence, to encourage the faculty members to maintain their intellectual curiosity and help them in adapting to the changing rules, in initiating and setting the direction for curricular changes. The main topics that will be covered during these programs are exergy analysis, alternative fuels in IC engines, thermal and fluid analysis in various industrial equipment, energy convergence in steam and gas turbines, energy and exergy analysis, application of renewable energy in heating, cooling of buildings, heat transfer analysis within enclosures, application of thermal engineering in solar distillation. During these 5 years, various speakers from IITs and other institutes will interact with you. This, I look forward to a successful training program over the next 5 days, and I strongly encourage you all to actively engage in the various course sessions and discussion during the training. Thank you all, and I wish you a very successful training course. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to call Director of GCET, Professor V.K. Dwivedi, to address this gathering.
Respected Professor S.C. Kaushik sir, Professor Qadri, Head Department of Mechanical Engineering, faculty members of GCET and other affiliating colleges, students and members of organizing committee. It's a matter of great pleasure that Department of Mechanical Engineering is organizing this FTP program first time in the last 5-6 years. So this is a special occasion for us. Now we have planned that in every semester we will organize at least one program. With the advance in technology and adoption by Indian industry occurring at a rapid pace, it has become essential that the technical teachers should develop an aptitude for lifelong learning and have an exposure to advances in their field through faculty development program. FDP has also been considered as an integral part of effective teaching learning process. Indirectly, it inculcates a habit to systematically explore the unexplored aspects of the subject area of interest. among the faculty members. Faculty development program for the teachers of engineering colleges is a priority area of the institute. In recognition of this, the institute is conducting this FDP for the teachers of Mechanical Engineering Department of GCET and other colleges affiliated to AKTU to enable them to acquire knowledge and competencies in the area of thermal engineering. Application of thermal engineering is designed to understand the techniques and latest trends in thermal engineering. The session of this program shall be conducted by the team of eminent academicians having in-depth knowledge of the area of thermal engineering, mainly energy and exergy analysis, application of thermal engineering in solar distillation, rural energy systems, solar heaters, solar refrigeration, energy conversion in steam and gas turbines. It will consist of a series of lectures and interactive sessions. The courses cover content updating, particularly in new technologies, use of innovative instructional methods and approaches, design and development of learning resources. It is hoped that the faculty will derive maximum benefit from this faculty development program. I will also request the students sitting in front of me to call their friends of mechanical engineering, particularly second year and third year, so that they can also attend this program. There is no program fee, so I request you all to kindly call some of your friends to attend this program. This will be highly beneficial for you. Right? Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for coming over here.
Thank you, sir. Now, let us have the pleasure of listening to our Honorable Chief Guest, Professor S.A. Kaushik, sir.
Good morning, everybody. Professor Dwivedi, Professor Kadri, and my dear participants. It's a pleasure for me that to be here and to have some interaction with the faculty members. But only after coming, I came to know that I am the chief guest. This has been a second time that I am becoming a chief guest. First time, my wife was working as principal in Delhi University College, and just 1 hour before, her chief guest was not coming. So she just rang me that you please come as chief guest. I said, how I can be chief guest? I do not know anything about your college activities, anything about, you can say, the program. She said, no, you have to come, otherwise I am feeling very small. The Vice Chancellor and other members are coming and they will say that there is no chief guest, so you have to come. So just I went there, and then I thought, I do not know what to speak. I work in the area of alternative energy sources. Then I work in the area of alternative solar cooling systems. That is another, you can say, specialization I work. And third is, I also work in alternative approach for analyzing thermodynamic systems, solar energy systems, or energy systems in general. So that's why I thought today also I am the alternative. Maybe the main guest has not come. So anyway, it is a pleasure, and I am very happy that the faculty members here, in spite of the fact that they were very busy till yesterday about the convocation and other activities, and even then they have come and they have shown, you can say, full strength, especially the mechanical engineering faculty and the faculty from other departments. It would have been a little more pleasure for me if the students would also join this, because whatever I will speak, I have prepared it from the point of view of students. Because Professor Navneet Kumar, he told me that it is, you can say, activity for faculty development of the, you can say, this university, as well as the students will be there. And so you should be, you can say, very, just start from basic concepts, and then you can reach the advances in the subject area. So I have chosen a topic which you can say I will be giving my lecture after this inauguration function on such a alternative approach for analyzing the thermodynamic systems. But as regards the inaugural function, I have nothing more to say, because I am, you can say, not a suitable person to be a chief guest. Because I am not that big person or that big personality to be the chief guest on such occasions. Even you can say, as I mentioned that in my earlier case, when my wife insisted that you have to come, I went there, but I said that I cannot speak too much about these things. I am an academic person, I can speak anything about academics. You can say about my subject area, about my research activities, and about my, you can say, the activities at IIT Delhi. But anyway, this is you can say formally, I should thank Professor Dwivedi, Professor Kadri, and Professor Navneet Kumar for giving me this opportunity to be here with you. And my all good wishes are with the organizers. And I am very happy that such faculty development programs is a ongoing process in this college. And I hope that in future we will have more interactions, more such occasions, not as a chief guest, but as a invited speaker. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. It was such a wisdomous session.